Ever wondered how industrial robots work and what types exist? They're automated, programmable machines designed to handle a variety of tasks in manufacturing and industrial settings. These automated marvels perform repetitive, dangerous, or precision tasks with a high level of accuracy and efficiency. You can find them in various industries, including automotive manufacturing, electronics, food processing, and more. First, we have articulated robots. They come with rotary joints, much like a human arm, and vary from simple two-joint structures to complex designs with multiple joints. These versatile robots are widely used for tasks such as welding, painting, and assembly. Next up are the SCARA Robots, standing for Selective Compliance Articulated Robot Arm. These robots have a horizontal jointed arm structure and are known for their speed and precision. You'll often find them in assembly processes and applications that require high speed and accuracy, like pick-and-place operations. Then we have Delta, or parallel robots. These robots have parallel arms connected to the base through multiple joints, forming a triangular configuration. They're ideal for high-speed pick-and-place tasks, packaging, and assembly applications. Cartesian robots, also known as gantry robots, move along three linear axes, the X, Y, and Z. They're often used for tasks that require precise linear movements, such as material handling and CNC machining. Cylindrical robots have a rotary joint at the base and a prismatic joint for vertical movement. They're perfect for applications like material handling and assembly, where rotational and linear movements are essential. Collaborative robots, or cobots, are designed to work alongside humans with safety features that allow close collaboration without the need for safety barriers. They're used in various tasks, including assembly, testing, and packaging. Industrial SCARA. Robots are similar to SCARA robots, but they're designed specifically for industrial applications. They excel in tasks such as assembly, material handling, and packaging. Then there are welding robots. These specialized robots are designed for welding applications in industries like automotive and construction. They provide precise control over the welding process, improving both efficiency and quality. We also have painting robots, equipped with spray guns and used for painting surfaces in automotive and other industries. They ensure a uniform coating and reduce material waste. Finally, we have material handling robots, dedicated to the movement and transfer of materials within a manufacturing facility. They're used for tasks such as loading and unloading, palletizing, and sorting. So, there you have it, an overview of the different types of industrial robots. Each type serves a unique purpose, and advancements in robotics continue to introduce new types and variations to meet evolving industrial needs. Keep in mind that this is just a snapshot of the world of industrial robotics, which is as diverse and dynamic as the industries it serves.